Christmas is a time for celebration and indulgence, and what better way to mark the occasion than with a show-stopping dessert? The Bûche de Noël, also known as a Yule Log, is a classic French treat that brings a touch of elegance and whimsy to any holiday table. This delightful cake, shaped and decorated to resemble a rustic log, is a beloved tradition in France and beyond. The origins of the Bûche de Noël can be traced back to ancient Yule celebrations where a real log was burned in the hearth to symbolize good luck for the coming year. Over time, this tradition evolved, and the edible Bûche de Noël emerged as a delicious representation of the festive log. Today, the Bûche de Noël is a testament to culinary artistry, with bakers around the world crafting their own unique interpretations of this festive dessert. From classic chocolate and coffee flavors to more modern variations featuring fruits and nuts, the possibilities for creating a stunning and delicious Bûche de Noël are endless. Join us as we guide you through each step of creating your own magnificent Bûche de Noël, a dessert sure to impress your guests and become a cherished part of your holiday celebrations for years to come. Gather your ingredients and tools: flour, sugar, eggs, butter, and chocolate. Ensure you have a mixing bowl, whisk, and baking tray ready. To bake the perfect sponge base, start by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Whisk the eggs and sugar until they become light and fluffy. Next, gently fold in the flour and melted butter. Pour the batter into a baking tray and bake for 10-12 minutes. Alright, so now that we have all our components ready, it's time to assemble our Bûche de Noël. First, gently unroll the cooled sponge cake. Spread an even layer of the filling over the surface, making sure to reach all the edges. Carefully roll the cake back up, taking your time to keep it tight and even. Now trim the ends for a clean look. Next, we're going to frost the entire cake with our delicious buttercream using a spatula to create a bark-like texture. Finally, add your decorative touches like meringue mushrooms or a dusting of powdered sugar to mimic snow. And there you have it. Your beautiful Bûche de Noël is ready to impress. Congratulations! You've created a culinary masterpiece that is sure to be the highlight of any holiday gathering. The Bûche de Noël not only looks stunning but tastes absolutely divine. Each bite is a perfect combination of moist cake, rich filling, and creamy frosting. Whether you're sharing it with loved ones or enjoying it yourself, this traditional dessert is a true testament to your baking skills. So take a moment to admire your work and savor every delicious bite. Happy holidays and bon appétit!